Hey everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to add a story to Instagram directly from Google Chrome on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's launched, navigate to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in instagram.com, then press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you to Instagram's main login page where you can access your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your username and password to access your Instagram account. Once you're in, you'll see your Instagram feed displayed just like you would on the mobile app. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see your navigation menu. Click on the plus icon, which is Instagram's universal symbol for creating new content. However, you'll notice that the story option doesn't appear right away on the desktop version, which is why we need to enable mobile view to access this feature. To do this, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window and click on the three dots menu icon. This will open Chrome's main settings menu with various options for customizing your browsing experience. From the menu that appears, hover your cursor over the option that says More Tools. This will expand a submenu with additional browser utilities and features that can help you modify how websites are displayed. In that submenu, click on Developer Tools. This powerful feature allows you to inspect and modify how websites function and appear in your browser. Once you click this, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen, displaying various technical options and tools. Now, at the top of this Developer Tools panel, look for and click on the device icon. This icon typically looks like a small phone and tablet symbol and is designed to toggle responsive design mode. Clicking this will switch your view from desktop mode to mobile view, making Instagram think you're accessing it from a phone rather than a computer. After enabling mobile view, click the refresh icon at the top of the Instagram page. This ensures that the website reloads with the mobile interface fully active, giving you access to all the features available on the mobile app. Now you'll see the mobile version of Instagram displayed in your browser. Click on the plus icon again, which should now show you additional options that weren't available in desktop mode. From the options that appear, click on Story. This will open Instagram's story creation interface, allowing you to upload content directly from your computer. A file browser window will pop up, showing your computer's files and folders. Navigate through your files to find the image or video you want to add to your story. Then double-click on it to select it. The file will then be uploaded to Instagram's story editor. Once your image or video is loaded, you'll see it displayed in the story preview with various editing options. When you're satisfied with how it looks, click the button at the bottom that says Add to your story, and your story will be published to your Instagram account for your followers to see. And that's it! You've successfully posted an Instagram story directly from Google Chrome without needing your phone. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.